How does VA healthcare affect my private insurance? Imagine you are a veteran who is eligible for healthcare through the United States Department of Veterans Affairs. You might wonder how this benefit interacts with any private insurance coverage you may have. Understanding this relationship can help you navigate your healthcare options efficiently and avoid unexpected costs. When you enroll in VA healthcare, it does not automatically replace your private insurance. Instead, it acts as a primary or supplementary source of medical services depending on your circumstances. If you have private insurance, such as through an employer, the VA typically coordinates with your private insurer to ensure you receive the necessary care without unnecessary duplication or expense. In most cases, VA healthcare is considered the primary payer for services you receive at VA facilities. If you seek care outside the VA system, such as at a private hospital or clinic, your private insurance may cover part of the costs. However, the VA may have agreements with certain private providers to offer services directly to veterans, which can influence how your private insurance is billed. One important aspect to consider is the concept of coordination of benefits. When both VA and private insurance are involved, the private insurer often acts as the secondary payer. This means that your private insurance may cover costs not paid by the VA, such as co-payments, deductibles, or services not provided through VA facilities. Conversely, if the VA is the primary payer, your private insurance may not be billed at all for services received within the VA system. Certain services, like prescriptions, mental health, or specialized treatments, might be covered differently depending on whether you use VA or private providers. If you choose to receive care outside the VA system, it is essential to verify whether your private insurance will cover those services and under what conditions. Some private plans have restrictions or requiring pre-authorization for out-of-network care, which can impact your out-of-pocket expenses. It is also worth noting that receiving care through the VA does not typically affect your private insurance premiums or coverage eligibility. However, understanding how billing and benefits work together can help you avoid unexpected charges and maximize your benefits. Always review your private insurance policy details and consult with VA representatives if you are unsure about how your coverage interacts with VA healthcare. In summary, VA healthcare generally acts as the primary provider for services at VA facilities, while your private insurance can serve as a secondary payer for out-of-network or non-VA services. Proper coordination ensures you receive comprehensive care while managing costs effectively.